Association nigo bachakira umuroberio yo wesiria Gusii wesira eri kwegenderera gukwana sensemo ya Gesima sub county ya Manga nigo musiyo bwekyombekyo penta upande abereka batabuna bange abo babere bakwerikia ase miroberio yo nigo barachiko konyeka kegima amanke nigo twargane no muri cyo Josephat Hamisi
ekiombekya borokia abasibati Kenya Women Teachers Association KEWOTA nigo giachakira umuroberio bwokweneka Kenya reko bage gusira abarimu abo rinde banyara ko bakwegendereria sobugima bwabo bwakira lituko anenekera bagendete nemirimo yabo nonye chinga kibanyare ko bagotiga uborokyo bwabo ayankorengana no CEO KEWOTA benta upande unyara ko bagakoya kwana lituko lero sensema ya Gesima ime sub county ya Mange county ya Nyamira.
When a teacher gets an accident, by paying just 1,000 in a year, if they pass on, unfortunately, their family are given 150,000 shillings within 48 hours. If they lose a limb permanently, they are given 150,000 to cover for that. When they are in hospital because of an accident, they are paid for a bill contribution of 20,000. When they lose their eye or their tooth, 10,000 for everything that is lost or injured. And while they are away from work, there's a small amount of money they are given per week to sustain them because they are not earning income.
Gati ya bali banyara ko bagwikirana sumo yegoyo no mugachi botambe wekyombeka Jacinta Ndegwa oyiboigo oyirali bagerio na gosegeta barimo basibati banyara ko bakwigoreke gancha na gochaka ko bakobeka chini bo cyabo sensemeyo elio kwenekya buna banyara ko bakwenyorera ane na makabeso chinga kibaranyara ko bakwegendereria sobugima bwabo.
Tunaambia members wetu wa join kitu inaitwa table banking. Table banking ni ile mnachanga kadoka kidogo tu, mnachanga alafu mkimaliza kuchanga mmoja anachukua anarudisha na interest. Hiyo ni mzuri sana sababu inaendelea kukuza, sio lazima tuwe kila wakati tunaenda kwa chairo, tunaenda kutafuta wapi. Even sisi tunaweza fanya hiyo table banking, na hiyo ndio inafanya wamama wale mnaona wanauza pole wako na kila sijui Jumapili ama ile siku wameweka wako na hiyo, wanapeleka pesa, wanasema sisi tutakuwa tukilipa 200, so hiyo 200 na mwingine anatoa, wanafanya kazi na unaona wanajenga manyumba na sole tuse hata sisi walimu wengine tunakomboa. So ni vizuri sisi tujiunge, tujimudu. Tunaangalia retired teachers sababu kuna wale wengine waliretire kitambo ya jasi.
Omo coordinator bwekyombekyo boigo Lydia Mura liganyale ko bakagoteba emeroberio kwenekya buna abarimu abatali konyora ko bakonyora meshara na boigo batigire mirimo nigo barachiko bakonyeka na boigo gosirwa kwenekya buna banyara ko bakonyora obubwene bwetera asechini insurance.
Our men are very tough, and actually I'm trying very hard. We are trying as women to come out, but they are just pulling us down because they fear competition. But now that you are here, we are going to support you. We will support you and we will work with you tirelessly until Nyamira County and Kisii County, the whole of this region, will be behind KEWOTA. This organization has come to us. It's our savior right now. This organization is going to help even our retired teachers. Let us all from this county and our Kisii County team, let us embrace this KEWOTA so that we can be taken to the next level financially.
Kuripoti katika Ndizi TV, Eliterane Josephat Hamisi.